Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Ace 2V and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the option additional settings. Now let's tap on system navigation, and as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. Of course, here we've got the gestures, and all we have to do is to tap on it in order to set it. But before we will do it, a quick disclaimer: as you can see here, you've got also the options which are connected with the buttons navigation. So if you will decide that you want to stick to this option, you can customize it here. So for example, reorder the buttons, up to you. Alright, let's go back to the gestures. So let's tap on this option, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to learn how to use the gestures, so it will open the tutorial. It's up to you. I don't want to do it because I already know how to use them. What is more, I will explain everything. You've got also this animation if you want to learn more. Alright, so here we've got also some options which are connected with the gestures, and as you can see, instead of the three buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures and actions. You can of course leave it here, but to be honest, I prefer this option to be turned on, so I want to hide it. And as you can see, we've got this clean screen. You can decide whether you want to use the vibration on the back navigation, switch to previous apps. Everything is really up to you. Right here we've got also the sensitivity, which is connected with the back gesture, and I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because you will be basically able to decide whether you need it higher or lower. So you will be able to change the size of this this kind of line or area. Alright, so a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. So if you want to get back to the previous page, simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. From the left or the right side, it does not really matter, it works the same. After swiping, you will see this arrow and release the finger to get back. And as I said, the same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. It should be a quick and short motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recent, simply elongate this gesture. So from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.